Hi there, this is a lesson tutorial for the song Wicked Games by Chris Isaak. So we're going to play the first chord. I'm going to show you the easy way first. Now you can do a full bar chord with the B minor, but I'm going to show you here with just the first finger on the E string, 2nd fret. So if I play the song first. Now the melody goes like this. Okay, so let's just look at the chords first. First finger, this is a B minor chord. First finger on the 2nd fret, E string. Second finger on the second finger on the 3rd fret, B string. Third finger on the 4th fret, D string. Okay, you can see that there. And then pinky here, 4th finger on the G string, 4th fret. I'm going to do 4 strums because that's 1 bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for the A chord, I'm going to play an A sus instead of an A. It's an A sus 2. The way I do that is I take these 2 fingers off and I leave my 3rd and 4th finger on the D and G strings respectively. And then I move them back to the 2nd fret. So now I've got my 3rd finger on the D string, 2nd fret, and pinky on the G string, 2nd fret. And I'm going to be strumming here from the A string now. So I can go 1, 2, 3, 4. Quite a nice sort of chimey sound. And it's an A sus 2 because that note there, normally we would play an A major like this. But because we're leaving that B open, and it's a 2nd note in the A major scale, it's called an A sus 2. Okay, then we're going to play an E chord for 2 bars or 8 strums. First finger on the G string, 1st fret. Second finger on the A string, 2nd fret. Third finger on the D string, 2nd fret. We're going to go 8 strums here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me play that whole thing again. B minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to the A sus. 2, 3, 4. And then E. 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to do 5 strums. And we're going to stop on the first beat of that 4th bar, because we're going to play a little little phrase. This phrase actually, now the way you can do this, because you've got your E shape there, it makes sense to play this 2, 3, 4, 1. I'll show you how to play that. So you've already got your 3rd finger on that D string, 2nd fret. So you play that one, and then I use my 2nd finger here. Actually, well, you could do this a few different ways, but one way you could do it is keeping your 3rd finger here to play that first note, and then switch to your 1st finger, which is there anyway because of the E chord, on the G string, 1st fret, and then use my 2nd finger on the G, 2nd fret, and then I'm going to move that 2nd finger up to the 4th fret. Okay, so it sounds like this. Okay, so let me just show you that again. I'm going to hit the 2nd fret D string, which my 3rd finger is already there for the E chord. The next note, my 1st finger is already there, but this time I'm going to bring my 2nd finger to the 2nd fret and then to the 4th. So it sounds like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That wasn't in time. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let me just play that whole thing again. Right, okay, so now we're going to do the melody, which is this one. I'll do that again. So let me just show you how to do that. 1st finger on the E string, 2nd fret. 2nd finger on the B string, 3rd fret. And then I'll just take, for the next 2 notes, I'll take my 1st finger off and play the same E and B strings again. So I'll show you that again. 2nd finger E string, 3rd finger B string. Now take my 1st finger off the E string, play it open. Same note again for the B string, which is a D. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my first finger on the B string 2nd fret, and then what I'm going to do when I get to this note here, I'm going to keep my first finger where it is, okay, which is this note here on the C sharp. And play a little arpeggio there, okay, which is basically the G, the B, E, B, back to G. So it sounds like this. Do that again. So remember that 2nd fret E string, 3rd fret B, open E, B, 2nd finger on the 3rd fret, then switch to 1st finger on the B string here, 2nd fret, 1st finger, 3rd finger on the 4th fret G, and then do that arpeggio. And then I'm going to go 1st finger on the 2nd fret G, back to the 1st fret, do a strum of the E major chord, and then that phrase that we learned earlier. So that whole thing goes. And to speed, 2, 3, 4, 1. Sorry. So remember that timing actually, it's after the first beat if you want to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now remember, when I'm coming down here, if you wanted to do it without the strum, it will sound like this. Okay, play that slowly. Okay, but I think it sounds a lot nicer personally with the strum, so I play it like this. Okay, so one last tip is when you're strumming the first, you can go like a pattern, a groove like this. So it's down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So you can play around with that. And we're going to look at some other parts of the song in the lesson. Okay, so hopefully that helps you. Take care.